If you have invasive plants in your garden, such as this aggressive mint, or very easily spreading black-eyed Susans, or if you simply want to clear some plants to make room for a new garden bed, you can use them to make plant tea fertilizer. To make the tea, simply pull or cut all the plants that you want to clear. Put them in a big container, such as these huge water bottles, which are made of food-grade plastic. Top it off with water and let it sit for several days. Stir the mixture often to help release the nutrients into the water. You can also add molasses to speed up microbial growth. Strain the water and use it to water your plants. For faster results, you can pulverize the plants in a blender, add water and use the mix to water your plants.